We are on the outside of this fabulous home. We're seeing the back side of it, and what I want to show you really is just how peaceful and private this area is. You should see that sign right there that says shop, and so that's our indicator to come over here. So there's a 3-car garage, and then we have this additional garage which includes a shop. And so if somebody really wants extra space, or they have an RV, or you know, a boat, things of that nature, this is just perfect. So what we're going to do is we're going to walk in, and yes, we do have wildlife out here. Turkeys are very common out here, which is really exciting. So that is something that a lot of people have asked. So coming into this space, and there's another like workshop area too, but it's just absolutely well done, really spacious. There's also a loft area up top. And then in addition to that, we've got our sink and also his spot, or hers. So just wanted to share this really fabulous space with you and give you an idea of what it looks like.